Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our math class, and this is your teacher, Miss Marcelino. Let us set our classroom for this. Be kind, be safe, be respectful, and be engaged. At the end of the lesson, it's the I can, you can, and we can. Can I hear it on Mina? Wow. How about Biel? Fantastic. And for everyone, wonderful. Now, let's explore. Bring out your treasure map number chart and your marker. We will decode the message using your number chart as a guide. Starts with letter A as the number 1. Change the numbers into letters to complete the word. Write your answer on the paper, and after 1 minute, you will post your paper on the Class Explore board. May I call on Liam? Alright, I will give you 60 seconds to decode the word. Are you ready? Time starts now. Alright, the answer is minuend. That is correct. What is a minuend? Minuend is the first digit number in a subtraction sentence. Good job. How about this one? Alan, I will give you 60 seconds to decode the word. Time starts now. Time is up, and the answer is subtrahend. Good job. You got it right. What is a subtrahend? Subtrahend is the second digit number in subtraction sentence. And for the last one, Simon, 60 seconds to decode the message. In 3, 2, 1, go. Time's up, and the answer is difference. Perfect. Now, what is a difference? Difference is the answer that you will get in a subtraction sentence. Good job, guys! Now that we are done in decoding the word, let's enhance. Subtract one digit subtrahend by two-digit minuend using number 2. I have here 36 minus 5 is equals to question mark. 36 is the minuend, 5 is the subtrahend, and the question mark is the difference. Let's find our difference. Are you ready? Okay, step 1. Locate the minuend in the number chart and circle the number 36. Number. Move backwards based on the subtrahend. And for step 3, copy the number it stopped as the difference. The number it stopped is 31. So 36 minus 5 is equals to 31. Good job. Is 31. So 36 minus 5 is equals to, and move backwards based on the subtrahend and copy the number it stopped as the difference. What did we got? 52. Very good. Now it's team up time. We will be grouped into 3 groups. The red team, the green team, and the yellow team. Team Ella and Simon for the red team, Caleb, Stephen, and Nina for the green team, Yana, Biel, and Allen for the yellow team. Each trail has a corresponding task that they need to finish as a group. For the red trail, they will work on independently on their computer. For the green trail, they will work as a group to solve the puzzle by answering the given subtraction sentences. For the yellow trail, they will work as a group to solve the subtraction task in the trail using the floor. Are you ready, Mud Stars? In 3, 2, 1, go! Good job, everyone! Now that we are done on our trail, let's have our extension. The 3, 2, 1. Given 2 dice to assemble. You will make your own number sentence by your chart. And that's it. I can look at charts of sequence. Did you have fun? Well, that's great because learning math is fun. And goodbye!